My Garden Room is a family-run business. We personally manage every project using only experienced trade professionals, ensuring a quality, fault-free build for customers to be proud of. All our buildings are bespoke and built to last. Functional, modern, eye-catching design is what we seek to achieve. All our buildings are fully insulated to ensure comfort for all year-round use. Roofs, overhangs and decking are a popular option. Again, these are bespoke to meet your exact requirement. This example shows wooden decking with maintenance-free composite cladding. We also provide extra groundworks such as patios, pathways, and interior decoration. We help achieve the lighting effects you require for the interior and exterior. My Garden Rooms come as standard with all electrical works. Providing windows and doors are made from the best grade materials and fittings. We offer these in a choice of materials, colours and designs. Our buildings offer many types of usage. Require a shower? No problem. We can also install sanitary ware, mains, feed and waste. My Garden Room offer and install interior flooring to suit all types of usage. Get in touch with our expert team for a free quotation.